You know how handy data validation drop lists are in Excel, right? And good news, they have gotten even better with Microsoft 365. But let's be real, those annoying blanks and duplicate entries, especially when text case is different, are still a pain. I am Nabil Murad. Get ready to wave goodbye to those problems. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating the absolute best drop-down list possible. No blanks, no duplicates, no matter the text case, and fully searchable. Ready to make your Excel life a whole lot easier? Let's dive in. In this worksheet, I have a table that shows a date, a card type, and sales. I want to create a drop list for the different card types. And because I'm in Microsoft 365, then I don't need to create a list of unique values as we used to do that. But I just go to the Data tab of the ribbon, and then I click on Data Validation. I want to allow a list, then I click under Allow and I select List. I put my blinking cursor in the source box and I select the card type column. That's it. I hit OK and the drop list is created. That was super easy. But hold on a second. I do have a problem. And because in the source data I have a blank, then I have a blank in the drop list that I don't really need. And also one of the card types, GM, is once in an uppercase and another time in a lowercase, then I get a duplicate for that. How to resolve this problem? I'm going to create a preparation column. So in cell G1, I use a function that will take care of removing the duplicate. And the function is toCal. So I type equal toCal. I select the card type column. I type a comma. And look at this second argument, ignore. I'm going to type 3 to ignore blanks and errors. When I close the bracket and hit enter, then I was able to get rid of the blank. Now, I don't want any duplicates in this list, so I'm going to wrap my toCal function. I put it in the edit mode, and I want to wrap it in a unique dynamic array function. I type unique, and I close the bracket at the end. I hit enter, and voila. We got rid of the duplicates, even the ones that are different in case, like GM, uppercase and lowercase. Now the final thing I want to do is to sort it alphabetically, so I hit F2 one last time and I wrap it in a sort function. I type sort, I close the bracket at the end, and then I hit enter, and now I have the card types in alphabetic order without any duplicates, without blanks. Let's go and create our second data validation drop list. I use the shortcut Alt-D-L, Tab-L-Tab, and then I select the cell where I created my function, and I type the spelled array symbol, Shift-3 on my keyboard, and I hit OK. Now when I click on the down arrow, I get a beautiful list, sorted alphabetically, no duplicates, and no blanks. So I can select any value. On top of that, it is fully searchable. So what if I type B? Then I get only two options, BMW and Buick. So I can select an option. What if I type T? Now look at this, Tesla and Toyota, and I was able to create the most powerful drop-down list. If you found value in this tutorial, like, comment, share, and subscribe.